Everyone, Rana Rocky again with Direct Peter Governor. Ayun po, Direct,
Eugene!
ano po ang comment nyo or reaction nyo habang pinapanood nyo yung movie? Ayun, parang isa siya sa potential na mag-win uli ng maraming awards like kung tungkol sa...
Ano po, una-una, napaka-proud po sa mga performers, sa mga actors. Sina Hazel, Kaki, Kimberly, Naomi,
Ayoko siya.
Nick, the whole ensemble. Napaka they are really the best, some of the best performers in Philippine stage, and to see them finding a space now sa sinehan is such a moment of pride for me. Yun, and napakalaking karangalan po na magbigay pugay sa pelikulang Himala na gawa ng tatlong national artists, si Direk Ishmael Bernal, si Sir Ricky Lee, of course, si Biniquino Honor, to give tribute to that with our film. Napakalaking karangalan. Papasalamat ako kay Sir Ricky, of course kay Miss Nora for helping out and giving their blessings sa pelikula.
In terms of casting po, Direct, nakita namin lahat sila ang gagaling eh. Mga theater actor, mga singer. Paano nyo po pinili yung mga cast na magpupunod dun sa mga character?
Well, nagpapasalamat ako kasi sila po ang cast ng 2018 and 2019 staging ng Himala Isa Musical na ginawa sa Power Max Center ng Nine Works Theatrical at Sandbox Collective, directed by Ed Lacson. So sila po yung nagbuo ng cast, and important sa akin na maidala sila sa pelikula dahil perfect casting yan with yung nila.
And one last thing na lang po, kanina pinag-uusapan namin, Doc, bakit po isang Himala ang title at hindi na lang daw po Himala, kagaya ng original film?
Well, una sa lahat, nauna po ang Himala 1982. Classic na pelikula, napaka-timeless na pelikula at wala pong papalit sa pelikula. It is, I have watched it very many times, even as up to the last few weeks, and it is really a timeless classic. And we felt that nothing could ever replace that film, and we wanted this to be different. Dahil of course sa musical, ibang gimmick naman, ibang tinig naman na makikita at maririnig ng mga.
Okay pa. Yan po. Thank you po, Direk. And looking forward pa sa awards night. Talagang music pa lang, cinematography pa yung mga actors, talagang maghaharap pa sila.
Salamat. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
po. Thank you.